Hello everyone, today I will tell you how to make a seesaw with blocks. We need this orange bar, yellow cube, green circle and red cylinder. We need this orange bar, yellow cube, green circle and this red cylinder. First we will join this orange bar with this yellow cube and this green circle. Then we will put this red cylinder in the orange bar, green circle and yellow cube. How you make a seesaw with blocks. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.